In this video, I wanted to share with you the best place to find free textures for your 3D work, and that is the website 3dAssets.one. So this website takes the assets from many free different texture websites and it compiles them together into a single library that you can search through. And this can save you a lot of time because instead of going to each website and searching for a texture that you're looking for, you can simply go to 3dAssets.one and you can search all the websites at once. So right down here in the bottom left, these are all the websites which are currently a part of 3dAssets. And if you've watched many of my tutorials before, then you're probably somewhat familiar with some of these, like Ambient CG, Polyhaven, and CG Bookcase. Those are some websites which I commonly use their textures from, but there's also a bunch of other ones here. And not only does this website have free textures, but it also has 3D models and HDRIs as well. Now, what I really love about this website is the search filters right here on the bottom. So for instance, I can just choose any creator, and then maybe I'm looking for just a PBR material, so I'm going to click on that. And then I'm also going to choose Creative Commons 0. I do like to use Creative Commons 0. That way I don't have to worry about crediting or licensing or anything. So once you've selected your search filters, it's only going to show you assets which are within those filters. So all of these here are only materials and they're all licensed as Creative Commons 0. And then I can also go here and I can just type in something, like for instance, maybe I'm just searching for wood. I can just type in wood and then it's only going to show me wood materials. Now when you hover your mouse over the assets, it's going to show you the name of the asset right down here on the bottom right, and then it's also going to show you where the website is from. So this one here is from Ambient CG, and this one right here is from the Share Textures, and this one right here is from 3D Textures. And then when you click on the asset, it's going to redirect you to the page on the original website. So we are now right over here on Ambient CG, and then I can just choose what resolution I want to download. And if you'd like to help support the creators which create these amazing free textures, then most of these creators do have a Patreon page. So if you just click on the Meet the Creators right here on the top, you can click right here to visit the creators' websites. For instance, right here on Polyhaven, you can click right up here to head over to their Patreon page, and that's a great way to help support what they create. And as well, right here on Ambient CG, they have their Patreon link right here. So most of these creators do have a Patreon page or some other way to support them on their website. I did just want to give these creators a shout out because their textures are amazing and very high quality, and I do use them in many of my tutorials. So that is 3dAssets.one. It's an amazing resource for finding free textures and models and HDRIs for your 3D work. So when I'm searching for a specific texture, this is the website that I come to because I can very quickly use this website to search through all of the other sites. So I hope you found benefit from this resource. I did want to let you all know about it because it's a great place to find textures. So I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.